Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipe. If it's your first time here, welcome. Today's recipe is garlic mushroom stuffed jalapeno chilies. As normal, a full list of ingredients are on screen now or in the description box below. I'm able to make this recipe today because the chili police are having a day off. The first thing we do is prepare the chilies. Simply using a sharp knife, cut the tops off and dehull them, taking out any seeds or pith. And you should have something that looks like this. Next you prep the mushrooms and garlic. Simply finely chop them. Then heat the batter in a suitably sized pan, and when it's nice and hot, add the mushrooms and garlic. Then add salt and pepper to taste. Then it's time to add the breadcrumbs and thoroughly mix together. Then allow the mixture to completely cool down before grating in the cheese. Mix the cheese in well, then you're ready to stuff the jalapenos. We all know the need to watch out for your eyes and other delicate parts of your body when handling chilies, but it can be quite difficult. Not to say quite painful if you get it wrong, so my advice is get your wife to do it. Anyway, when your wife stuffs the chilies, you should have something that looks like this. Next thing we have to do is wrap the chilies in bacon. We find thin cut, streaky bacon is best for this. And this is what happens when your left-handed wife tries to work out camera angles and wrapping bacon. And when all the chilies are wrapped, you should have something that looks like this. And then it's off to a preheated 180 degrees C oven for 35 minutes. And when the 35 minutes are up, you're ready to serve. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe, and feel free to subscribe, share and like. And hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.